Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Product Secrets. Today's video is going to be about this Candid mouth paint. In this video we will get to know where we can use this medicine, what are its benefits, uses, and along with that we will get to know how to use it correctly and many more details we will know about this in this video itself. So guys, if you want to know the full review of this medicine, then please watch the video without skipping. So first of all, we will get to know about its composition. So the main composition here is clotrimazole. So what is this clotrimazole? So clotrimazole is an antifungal medication. It is used to treat skin infections caused by a fungus or yeast. So today we have here clotrimazole product that is in the form of mouth paint for applying in the mouth. So guys, honestly speaking, I got this drop from a chemist. It was recommended by a doctor when my 3-year-old son was infected by chickenpox recently. Actually, at first the infection was seen on all over his hands, palms, knees and legs only. But after getting medication from doctor, the chickenpox slowly disappeared from his body. So when chickenpox has disappeared from his body, later after that the infection started showing on his mouth. I mean inside the area of mouth, jaw and tongue. So for that we showed the doctor the infection of over the mouth. At that time the physician gave us this mouth paint drop for our son. So we immediately put 3 to 4 drops of this mouth paint inside our baby's mouth, and yes guys, we have seen the first recovery of infection caused inside the mouth. We only have used this drop for over 2 to 3 times for 2 days only, and our son is getting recovered just by 2 days itself. So it is a very effective medicine. I can highly suggest you to try this mouth paint if you are also suffering from mouth infection. And along with clotrimazole, it also has other composition, that is glycerin and propylene glycol. So friends, this medicine has the essential ingredients that are very effective in killing the fungus that causes the infection. So this Candid mouth paint also works by damaging the fungal cell membrane and causes the component to flow out. So basically this is an oral thrush treatment for application in the mouth. It contains 25 ml bottle quantity that will cost you for 149 rupees. It has 3 years of shelf life, and this mouth paint is manufactured by a famous brand called Glenmark Company. How to apply or use for baby? So for babies who are 1 year and above, you can give them 3 to 4 drops per use and repeat giving this after every 4 hours, that is thrice a day. And even if your baby swallows it, it is safe, it is not too dangerous. So there is no need to worry even though if they swallow it. And yes, give this solution after your baby had meals, and do not let them eat or drink anything for at least 15 to 20 minutes after application of this medicine. After that, you can gargle their mouth with water and do not let them swallow that water. And then the usual dosage for adult is 10 to 20 drops can be applied on the affected area of the mouth by using a cotton bud, that is for 3 to 4 times a day. And for newborn infants, use the liquid with your little finger and apply on the affected area twice in a day. So next, are there any side effects when you use this solution? Yes, the most common side effects you may see is an itching or burning feeling in the area being treated. So friends, after all, I have explained all the possible details in this video. If you have any queries, you can comment down below. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.